Manual massage. Clear channels, promote circulation, recommended duration, 10 minutes. Apply some oil to your hands and warm it by rubbing them together, then spread it on the abdomen. Alternately knead the belly with both hands. Lift from the waist side to the groin with both of your hands alternately. Repeat on the other side. Alternately push the ascending colon up, the transverse colon sideways, and the descending colon down using both hands. Massage around the navel in a clockwise direction with overlapped hands. Lift the belt vessel on both sides of the waist with both hands alternately. Wipe the operating area with a towel. Laser pad. Enhances body shaping and boosts metabolism. Parameter setting. Recommended mode, A. Recommended energy level, 3. Recommended working time, 20 minutes. Take a strap, select from short, medium, and long straps according to individual size, and fix it on the abdomen. Insert the laser pads into the strap. Let it work for 20 minutes. Turn off the instrument, remove the pads, release the strap, and finish. Take 1 to 2 sessions per week, with a complete course of treatment comprising 12 sessions. Contraindications: pregnancy and lactation, heart disease or wearing a pacemaker, unhealed surgical wounds or in the recovery phase, epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism or malignant tumors, skin disease or infectious disease.